This makes it go from crushed to cubes, and if that's not working, it won't. If it don't go up and down like it's supposed to, which is not, then it will not crush the ice. So now I'm going to test this, and if it tests bad, then I'm going to change it. I've already unplugged these two wires. Now I got to go find my test cord and plug into it and check it out. Now to test it, I made another test cord here because I couldn't find my other one. Made the plug-ins here to plug in on the solenoid, and it's just a regular 110 plug on the other end to go into the wall. And now we're going to plug these in there on the solenoid in there so we can test it. So let's plug these on that. And now you can see we got that plugged in there. Okay, so now you got the harness plugged in. So now what we want to do is we want to see this solenoid. I can get this harness out of the way here. We want to see this move back and forth with the power going off and on, okay? That's what we want. Well, that's what we don't want, because if it don't work, then we know the solenoid is bad. If it does work, then we know that we have another problem. So let's plug it in and hit the switch. Let's put it down, see if it goes up. Yep, it's working. So that solenoid is working. So that means we have another issue. It's not the solenoid. So back to the drawing table.